Hi, Brian here, Cars in Tillsonburg. Just going to give you a walk around our little Mustang Coupe here, 1965. We've got this car for sale on the lot. We've gone through it, gone over it, safety checked it, made sure it's ready to go. It's a well done car that was done by a restoration shop years ago, but a good restoration, and it's weathered well. As you can see, some of the high points on the car here are our original, because this is a V8 car, original V8 car. These are 14-inch Mustang steel wheels with the Kelsey Hayes disc brakes on the front. The 6-owner cars had drum brake 4-bolt wheels. This is a really nice option. It really dresses the car up well. Nice paint. Paint still shines, got really nice shine. It was a well done paint job. As you look inside here, you see some interior parts have been replaced. We have also ordered some new interior parts that are coming, some bezels, some chrome pieces, the horn button that will be installed on the car as soon as they're shipped here. It's got a little aftermarket radio that's updated that looks like a stock one. The carpet is an acceptable carpet. We're not going to change the carpet in it, but it's had the seat cushions put on it, and as you can see, interior is a real solid, clean interior. This is a nice driver car. Drives out really well. It has a 3-speed manual transmission in it. We have researched the engine and transmission, and it is a 289, a 1965 289 engine that is completely rebuilt. It has the 3-speed top loader with the Mustang shifter on it, so that's all original pieces. Worked really well. As you can see here, had some chrome work done to it. Has a complete dual exhaust front to back. Pretty basic car, but these were the cars that started that pony car invasion. Ford was a little bit ahead of GM, but these cars were all over the place, and just a real popular but fun car to drive. And as you can see inside here, it's not a 10-point show car, but a really nice, clean interior, something that you can take out and drive and enjoy. And if we look under the hood here, we've got the 289. Now somebody's put the little Cobra, which was a popular addition back then when they put the Cobra aluminum valve covers. This is not a Cobra engine. Originally, this car, as you see here on the fender, here's our VIN number, and we've decoded the VIN, the 5 standing for the model year, 1965. The F, which is hard to read here, but the F in the serial number is the assembly plant, which is Dearborn, Michigan. 07 is the serial number, body serial number if it's a hard top. The A is a original 289 4-barrel, came in this vehicle, original from the factory. Not a high performance, but a 289 4-barrel, and the rest is your serial number. This has a 2-barrel carburetor and intake on it right now, but this car was born a 4-barrel car. As you can see, all the inner fenders are in excellent shape and in good shape. This car could be taken to the next level with detailing and taking it apart and running, new wiring. It takes it to the next level, but it's just right now, real solid car, really reliable car, easy to drive. So if you are interested, we're going to have these videos on our YouTube channel, and we're going to have them on our website. So if you like what we do, like us on Facebook and take a look at the car. Thanks.